It's really no surprise. The job of a 911 dispatcher is difficult and it is stressful.
Lately, national agencies are working to get better recognition, and our Matthew Torres found out one mid-state emergency center has joined the movement.
The gentleman on the other end told me he was going to kill himself. And when I asked him if he had any weapons, I heard the gunshot. And you just don't forget the gunshot.
That is one of the calls that continues to haunt Brandy Araby Smith when she became a 911 operator. 20 years later, she's now the 911 director in Spring Hill.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
We're truly the first responders when it comes to a 911 call.
Dispatchers are taught to guide the caller through certain emergencies, all while dealing with the emotional toll.
241 was for the units responding upstairs, City Hall.
Even when our cameras were rolling, they were dealing with a suicidal call from the City Hall's lobby.
He's come to us because he doesn't feel like he can handle his problem, with his mental problem.
Despite the job description, the federal government has always classified 911 dispatchers as clerical, like secretaries. But dispatchers believe that's an old school way of thinking. Dispatchers feel the current status is undervaluing their job.
This is something that's past needed.
This summer, the government said their work is more of just a dispatcher and not a first responder. Like many centers across the country, Spring Hill 911 think otherwise. The Association of Public Safety Communications Officials is fighting against the current status by seeking public input.
Acknowledgement that you are the first responder, that you are the lifeline, that you're the one that gets the whole system in motion.
At the same time, a social media movement called #Iam911 started a few weeks ago for dispatchers to show support and share their stories.
That's affirmative letter 1. Have you back in service.
In Spring Hill, Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.
APCO is still asking for public input until next Tuesday. If you'd like to learn more, head to newschannel5.com.
And while it is no secret, working